Worldview arcade game. All right, let's go ahead and check it out. Got the controls, got the mic, got the laptop going. Control up, control A. Fight the power. All right, let's go. Come on, I'm choosing my card. You gotta choose your card. I choose Ray Comfort. How about them apples? Who you choose? Who you choose? You're choosing Project 1619. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, all right. Control A. All right, I got it. I'm gonna win this. I hope. All right. Oh, oh, dodge. Ugh. Take that. Oh, oh my bad. Evidence Bible. Take that. Oh yeah. I win. Woo. Yeah. See you on the next time.